Hi guys, my name is Letty McLeod, owner of the Organic Cleaning Machine, and today we are in a new client home and we're going to show you how to clean the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the tools that you may need to clean the top of your stove, and please remember, it's going to be different depending upon what kind of stove you own. So we're going to need to use paper towel, Comet Powder, is white brush, sponges, magic erasers because they're really magical, Ammonia, Dawn dish soap, Squeegee. And the last weapon, our blade, which you have to be very careful with it. We're going to use the regular sponge so all the dirt gets easier to remove. If we don't clean the wall first, we're going to splash that dirt on the top of our stove, and we don't want to do that. If it doesn't come off the grease with your brush, don't do it super hard because you can damage the wall and you can make that paint come off, and we don't want that either. So you're going to use your squeegee and try to just bring it up like this. If the grease doesn't come off right away, it will come off and the second time you do it. But the first time, you already start seeing some of the dirt that's coming off, and that is a plus. Now, the top of your stove, after you already let it soak, you're gonna use your squeegee on the top. You can see the water. It's almost like a chocolate. Don't drink this chocolate, please. Don't do that. Even if it gets cold and you really love it. And then you dry it. And it's a process that you probably gonna need to do several times. And so you can see that the stove is gonna start becoming the way that should be. Beautiful. Okay. These are the area that's going to be more time consuming to clean because it gets all this gooey stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your magic eraser, which remember they're magical. Make it wet. You're going to spray some of the Comet and you're going to go and let it soak. So with the magic eraser, also go on the keys because the magic eraser always cleans whatever is plastic. Now you have your amazing weapon, which is the blade. And the blade, watch this. You see how nice it's getting all this dirt, which is unbelievable. Hey, these are secrets I learned over 25 years of experience, okay? But this weapon is like me, little but efficient. Now please know, this stove, they have all these spots over here that is really dirt. That is not dirt, that is a stain that's not gonna come off. No matter what you use, it's not gonna come off. But the dirt, the burning part, is gone. And here it is, the top of our stove is super clean. Please subscribe, like, and shoot us any comments. You guys keep watching. We'll see you next time.